Morning students, welcome back to online learning. Students, first you take out your social studies book, page number 77. Some topics that we have already discussed in our previous online classes about this lesson 4.2 in the northern plains. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand we have already discussed. Now Bihar. Bihar are rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane and millets. Jute, tobacco, fruits and vegetables are also grown in Bihar. The main languages spoken are Hindi and Urdu. The tribal people have their own dialects. Dashera, Diwali and Eid are the main festivals. Bihar is the land of Lord Buddha. It is a fertile region in the Ganga basin. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Hindi and Urdu are the languages spoken here. Besides, other festivals, Diwali, Holi, and Eid are celebrated with enthusiasm. Maithili language and Bhojpuri dialect are also spoken here. The main crops are grown here are paddy, wheat, sugarcane and pulses. Jute, tobacco, fruits, vegetables are also grown here. Next, Jharkhand. The state of Jharkhand was carved out of Bihar on November 15, 2000. Amongst all other states, Jharkhand is the richest in mineral resources. Bokaro Steel Plant and TISCO at Jamshedpur and heavy engineering complex at Ranchi make the state richer industrially. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Jharkhand mostly has tribal population. The main districts of Jharkhand are Bokaro, Dhanbad, Ranchi, Palamu, etc. A majority of people in Jharkhand speaks Hindi. Tribals have their own dialects. The state of Jharkhand was carved out of Bihar on November 15 in the year 2000. Jharkhand is the richest state in mineral resources. Former captain of the Indian cricket team MS Dhoni lives at Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. Bokaro Steel Plant at Bokaro, TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company at Jamshedpur and Heavy Engineering Corporation at Ranchi make the state industrially rich. The main language spoken here is Hindi. Jharkhand has rich forest reserves and many tribes called Adivasis live here. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Next, West Bengal. West Bengal lies to the east of Bihar. It is located on the plains formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra. These rivers have made the land very fertile. There is lot of waters in the rivers all over the year. This water is used for irrigation. Rice and jute are the main crops of West Bengal. Jute is used for making gunny bags, carpets, linen, etc. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. The people of Bengal are very fond of art, music, drama, and literature. They speak Bengali. The men in Bengal wear dhoti and kurta. Women wear saris. Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengal. See, West Bengal lies to the east of Bihar. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The main crops of this state are paddy, jute, and rice. Jute is used for making gunny bags, carpets, etc. The people of West Bengal have great interest in art, music, drama, and literature. Bengali is the main language spoken here. The people here are very fond of sweets. Rasgulla and Sandesh are very popular here. They also love to eat rice and fish. Durga Puja is the main festival of this state and is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm. West Bengal. It is located on the plains formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra, and their land was very fertile. There is a lot of waters in the rivers all over the year. This water is used for irrigation. The famous Howrah Bridge on the Rabindra Setu is built on the Hooghly River in Kolkata. Another bridge, the Vidyasagar Setu, is newly built on the Hooghly. The Science City, the Belur Math, Dakshineshwar Temple, etc. are places of tourist importance in Kolkata. The people of Bengal are very fond of art, music, drama, and literature. They speak Bengali. The men in Bengal wear dhoti and kurta. Women wear saris. Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengal. Next, Assam. Assam is a hilly state, but part of it is in the plains. After flowing through Arunachal Pradesh, the river Brahmaputra enters Assam. Here it flows through a wide flat valley. The major crops grown in the valley are rice and jute. A big part of Assam lies on the northeastern hills that you have already learned in your chapter 4.1 of this book. Assam is a state in northeastern India situated south of the eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. This state is bordered by Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Nagaland and Manipur to the east, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, and Bangladesh to the south, and West Bengal to the west, via the Siliguri corridor. It is also one of the world's most popular subdivision. Assam is known for Assam tea and Assam silk. The state was the first site for oil drilling in Asia. Assam is famous for its tea garden. Bihu is the main festival and Dispur is the capital of Assam. Next, Tripura. Tripura is surrounded by hills. The state shares most of its border with Bangladesh. It touches Assam and Mizoram also. A big part of the state forms part of the northern plains. Its rivers join the Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. The people here speak Bengali. Many tribes live in the surrounding hills of Tripura. They speak their own languages. Rice and jute are the main crops in this part of northern plains. Forests are another big source of income that you have already learned in your previous chapter, that is chapter 4.1. Tripura. Tripura. People of Tripura make beautiful items from cane and bamboos. Main languages are Kokborok and Bengali. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Tripura is a hilly state in northeast India, bordered on three sides by Bangladesh, home to a diverse mix of tribal cultures and religious groups. Its capital is the capital of Agartala, the imposing Ajanta place is set among Mughal gardens and Gedo Mia's mosque as white marble domes and towers. The state has a tropical savanna climate and receives seasonal heavy rains from the southwest monsoon. Then, the forests cover more than half of the area in which bamboo and cane tracts are common. Here are some points to remember. Students, look at your book, page number 78. Points to remember. First, the northern plains include the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. These plains are thickly populated. The people of northwestern plains, that is Punjab and Haryana, are very hard working. Farming is the main occupation of the people in northern plains. Rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane and oilseeds are the main crops. Thank you students. I hope you all understood this lesson.